Hey there, I'm starting a new series of small videos. It's called Today. It's super simple, easy. It's one video per day about something I learned or I thought about during the day. I hope it will be interesting. I'll do also Twitter and LinkedIn posts if you don't want to see my ugly face and hear my super bad English. Um, and it will be about a lot of different topics. I'm a generalist, I'm curious, I don't have any hard skill. I love learning about a lot of different topics, so it will be, of course, mainly about business, startups, digital media, stuff like this, but it can be also about physics, archaeology. I don't really care. Uh, so follow me if you want to hear more about it. And let's start with the first one. And the first one is about automation and advertising. I was listening to this podcast called The Knowledge Project, and there was this episode with Rory Sutherland, who is kind of a big figure in the advertising world, and he was talking about behavior economics. So, how do we bring value to products that is not always like super specific technical value? It's more about how do you create emotions and make people desire something based on their emotions and not just on the characteristics of the product. And he was giving this example about automation, how big companies today want to replace, for example, humans in jobs, but only by taking one simple and narrow feature of the human job. For example, doormen are replaced by automatic doors, but a doorman is not an automatic door. It has a lot more to offer. A doorman is safety, gives directions, welcome people. He's nice. He also gives prestige to the establishment because when you arrive at the hotel, he opens you the door and you feel more important. So all of these things bring a lot of value and are underestimated. So keep in mind that you need always to give more value than only the technical specific solution that you may have found to the problem. You buy iPhone products. A Mac is not like the best computer in the world in terms of technical specificities, but it's also super enjoyable, intuitive, easy to use, stuff like this. And so every time you build a product, think in terms of global value and not only the specific solution you found to the problem. So I hope you enjoyed this first one. I'll keep going. I hope so. So if you want to tell me what you thought about it, just please send me a message, put a comment, and also tell me what did you learn today. See you tomorrow.